Hello bot creators. I'm excited to show you a new feature today that allows you to actually swap ERC20 tokens on chain. So this is a new smart action. And as a recap, smart actions are blocks on Boto that allow you to essentially perform on-chain activities. So let's jump straight into it. Let's go to the canvas to create a new bot. And as a quick hint, I will try to give this a name. There we go. I already had some previous tests or attempts at this. So this will DCA into Uni. Quite a lot of abbreviations there, but let's try to build this together. So what is the very first block we can add here? So let's say we want to track the USD value for the Uni token, which is the token that powers the Uniswap protocol. And I'll tell you in a bit why Uni particularly. So let's say this is a token ticker on CoinGecko, and we want to see the value of one unit, and we can post this, let's say, to Telegram. You'll see my Telegram here on the left side, and we can add a message here and use the output from the previous block. I'll add the USD value so we know what that number actually means. By the way, you'll notice that the crypto to USD block has an input here or accepts an input. It could be any other block that is further upstream here on the left. It could pull values from a spreadsheet or any other data source. But all we need at the moment is this. And for the sake of seeing it working, let's put this to 5 minutes and save the bot. This will reload and switch it on just to see it working. There it is. And then off while we continue developing it. So I've mentioned a limit order. So that means we want to track the particular price of Uni, or a particular value in the price of the Uni to be more precise. And when it is below, let's say 420, it currently is at 417. We could put or send ourselves a notification on Telegram, very similar to the already existing one, but quite a bit more specific. Time to buy. This doesn't actually swap or buy or perform any on-chain actions. It is simply a notification. So we could receive it on Telegram, and when we read it, we can go to an exchange and actually manually purchase. But let's take things one step further. I've mentioned smart actions earlier. The notification is useful, but that doesn't mean that the bot will actually swap for us. And this is where the new smart action block comes into play. I'll connect it here to the filter, selecting the source wallet. These wallets are actually indicators of pre-approved withdrawals. And you can get to this page by clicking, let me do that again, by clicking on this plus button. And this page shows you everything that you have allowed for the Boto smart contract to withdraw from your wallet. And I'll be using USDC for this particular demo, and I already have 91.5 USDC approved. That is fine. And let's say I want to purchase 10. So a value worth of 10 USDC of the contract address for the destination token is the contract for Uniswap. I found it here on Etherscan. You can also find it on CoinMarketCap. Wherever you look it up, be sure it's a trustworthy source. And the receiver wallet address could be the same address that is the source, or could be a completely different address. I'll use one of my test wallets here. Save the bot. ready to go. Just like any other bot built on the Boto.io canvas, we can test it by turning it on and waiting a couple of seconds maybe and turning it off again. There we go. We see the new price. We see the notification that it's time to buy, and let's see if the purchase or the swap actually went through. So we can go to the list of Botos. Actually, we can get there from the left side here. It is healthy, it is successful. Let me just turn it off so it doesn't execute again. This is the bot you've previously seen. And there's this new section in the menu, which shows you the history of smart actions. And you'll see here DCA into Uni, USDC, 10 USDC, 0 on fees, and status submitted. And if I click on status, it will take me to the on-chain transaction. And there we go. 10 USDC were withdrawn from my wallet, and I received 2.3 and some change of Uniswap tokens. There we go. That is the new block in action. If we want to see it again, we can click on the bot name. As you might imagine, this is a very powerful functionality. This block can swap from all the tokens that you can see on the approvals page to any other token. You can use it as a stop loss, limit order, or any other conditions that are up to your creativity of combinations of blocks on the Boto canvas can result in a swap of tokens. What do you think? What ideas can you come up with?